everyone. Welcome to this edition of Clinical Corner, where we will be talking about how to manage your mental health during this crisis. Betsy, why are nurses in particular at higher risk for mental health concerns during the pandemic?
Right. Well, nurses are the ones on the front lines. They're experiencing this firsthand. So they're concerned about their patients. They're concerned about contracting it themselves and maybe passing it on to family. Some nurses have been furloughed. Some nurses' workload has gone up. Some nurses have been transferred to work in other units they're not familiar with. So it's a really stressful time right now. And we just want to make sure that everyone's taking care of themselves as best as possible.
Definitely. So what can nurses do to maintain their mental health?
So I think one of the most important things, especially for travel nurses to do, is to stay connected with home. Stay connected with your family and friends. Use technology, use Zoom, Facebook, so you can see their faces and really be connected with them. I also think it's important for nurses to have a strong peer support group. So other nurses, coworkers who are going through the same thing. The other day, I was on a Facebook group for travel nurses, and everybody was talking about their experiences with COVID and what their facility was doing and really giving each other support. And I think that's important so nurses don't feel like they're in this alone. Also, really take advantage of your days off. It's really important to have that mental break and not be thinking about work all the time. So whatever it is you like to do, working out, reading, cooking, whatever it is to get your mind off of it, you really need that break and you need that balance. Another thing that I've recently done is take a media break. You don't have to watch the news every day. That's really hard for nurses who are experiencing this firsthand at work, and then you come home and you hear about it again. So, take that break. You don't have to be exposed to it that much. And just make sure you have that time to let go and not think about work.
This is great advice, Betsy. What if you're really struggling with your mental health right now?
Yeah, if you're struggling right now, you need to tell somebody. Don't try to think that you're fine, you're strong, you can deal with it yourself. There's resources out there to help. So whether you tell a family member, a friend, your RAS account manager, we can help point you in the direction of some good resources. There's also a lot of online therapy services out there like BetterHelp and Talkspace, where you can do it from home, really convenient hours, and it's really cost effective. So there's resources out there. And if you really feel like you need the help, then you need to reach out.
This is such an important topic to discuss, especially during these trying times. Thank you so much for your time today, Betsy, and for everyone tuning in. If you have any questions or comments in regards to this topic, reach out to me today and comment below if you'd like to as well. Thank you.